Helen.
And my name is Evelyn.
And we are from St. John Gading Serpong Junior High School. Currently, we're in Beijing, China. We are right now at Great Wall of China.
The food is very nice, the weather is cold and a little bit hot, and the view is very beautiful.
大家好。
Hi, my name is Owen. I'm from St. John Gading Serpong.
Watch out, Daryl. I'm from St. John's Dalian School.
What's up, Daniel? I'm from St. John's School, Garing Serpong.
We just got done from handful class, and I like my shirt because it is comfortable.
我怎么样？可爱吗？
拜拜。
Today is day 2 of us learning Mandarin in Dalian University, and we're so excited to learn more about Mandarin and Chinese culture.
我的爱好是睡觉。
I'm Chia from St. John BSD. I'm Justin from St. John BSD. And right now, we're at Dalian Market. This place is really good, guys. Yeah, the food also tastes delicious.
样一个35，样一个25。我那多，这给你啊。
My name is Herschel from St. John BSD, and we just finished the tea class in Dalian, China. To make the tea was pretty difficult. It was not as easy as people make it seem, and when we tasted it, it was pretty bitter, but it was also really calming and nice. So I'm excited to try and learn lots of stuff here. Bye bye.
Enak.